Every month, automation software quietly drains hundreds of dollars from small service businesses. And here is the part that stinks. The tool doing the actual work, available from Google for free. Gemini 2.0 runs through Google's Vertex AI platform. It can replicate the most expensive Zapier workflows you are currently paying for. And the free tier on Vertex AI means you are not trading one subscription for another. The freelancers who figure this out first are building a real service business around it. My name is Paul James. I help freelancers and small business owners build real income using free AI tools. No expensive subscriptions, no agency level overhead required. Here's one thing I know for certain. The gap between what agencies charge and what delivery costs is getting wider. Understanding that gap is how you compete without their budget. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let's talk about how Zapier became a real problem for small business owners. When it launched, the tool was genuinely useful. Connect apps without touching any code. Form submission triggers an email, spreadsheet update notifies your team. For non-technical owners, it felt like magic. But the pricing model has a trap built into it. Every advanced step pushes you to a higher tier. Every conditional branch, every multi-step workflow adds cost. A business running 6 or 7 automations can easily spend $200 to $400 monthly. That is a lot to pay for a relay system. Here is what makes it worse. Most of those automations are not doing anything complicated. They read a field, run a basic instruction, and send an email. That is the whole workflow. But it all sits inside a subscription platform. So you pay premium pricing for what is essentially a data relay. You are mostly paying for the wrapper. Here is where things get wild. Google's Vertex AI gives you direct API access to Gemini 2.0. The free tier handles the automation volume most solo freelancers and small businesses actually run. You get enough API calls per day to serve a real client load. No billing threshold in sight. And since you are calling Gemini 2.0 directly, the intelligence behind each automation is genuinely stronger. You are not using a simplified AI add-on. You are accessing Google's current flagship reasoning model at no cost. I call this approach the Overhead Elimination Protocol. The concept is simple. Instead of routing through a paid middleware layer, you connect straight to the AI. You cut out the subscription entirely. The Overhead Elimination Protocol starts with one observation. Most automation platforms are billing wrappers. They sit around API calls you could make yourself. Once you see that, everything changes. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Here is how the Overhead Elimination Protocol runs in practice. Step 1. Create a Vertex AI account through Google Cloud. The free tier activates with a standard Google account. Step 2. Pull your API credentials from the Google Cloud console. The documentation walks through this clearly, even for non-developers. Step 3. Set up a lightweight trigger. It can be a simple script or a free tool you already use. That trigger fires whenever a specific event happens. A new form submission, a spreadsheet row added, an incoming message, a calendar entry created. The event type does not matter much. What matters is that the trigger passes clean data to Gemini 2.0. The trigger passes that data to Gemini 2.0. The model processes it based on your instructions. The output routes wherever you point it. A personalized reply email, a CRM field update, a Slack notification, a formatted report entry, no per task fees, no tier limits, no monthly subscription. Most people never realize this part. The workflows that cost the most inside Zapier are exactly the ones Gemini 2.0 handles best. Reading an inquiry and categorizing it before a human sees it, drafting a personalized reply using details from the original message, summarizing a long email thread into a clean action list, pulling key figures from a document and populating a structured report. These are the multi-step automations sitting at the top of Zapier's pricing. Through the Overhead Elimination Protocol on Vertex AI, each of those becomes one direct API call, a well-crafted prompt, smarter output, zero recurring cost. I remember feeling like API-level tools were completely out of reach when I was getting started. No budget, no technical background, just trying to compete without the things everyone else seemed to have. But this is not a developer problem. It is a pattern recognition problem. You learn what triggers the workflow. You identify what transformation needs to happen in the middle. You figure out where the output needs to land. That 3-part structure is the same no matter what tool sits in the center. Swapping Zapier out for Gemini 2.0 through Vertex AI is replacing paid middleware with free infrastructure. Same result delivered without the monthly bill. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The real opportunity in the Overhead Elimination Protocol is not saving yourself $40 a month. The real move is building this for clients and charging a flat implementation fee. Small businesses are already paying for automation software. They are not happy about it. Bills keep climbing, workflows still need manual cleanup. Nobody internally has time to rebuild anything. That is exactly the opening a freelancer needs. Think about the business types most exposed to this problem. A bookkeeping firm running client intake through a Zapier workflow that still needs manual data cleanup after. A small insurance agency sending follow-up emails that feel templated and are getting ignored. A home services company running a lead response system that takes hours to reply. No intelligent logic was ever set up. These businesses are paying for automation that is not actually automating anything well. You come in and rebuild it using Gemini 2.0 through Vertex AI. You deliver a faster, smarter workflow, one that costs them nothing to run month over month. That is a service businesses will pay a real setup fee for. Add a monthly maintenance retainer and the model gets even better. And here's something worth sitting with. You are not selling them a new tool. You are solving a problem they already know they have. They already budget for automation software. They are already frustrated by it. That framing makes the sales conversation much simpler. You are the person who removes the friction and the monthly bill at the same time. That is a strong offer, especially when you can demonstrate the Overhead Elimination Protocol, live on their own workflow during the conversation. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to those free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Let me walk you through how this plays out in practice. Picture a small tax preparation office. During filing season, new client inquiries flood in through their website contact form. Each submission needs someone to read it, figure out the right category, and write a reply. Then attach the next steps. During peak weeks, that task alone takes hours each day. A freelancer builds a Vertex AI integration using Gemini 2.0. Every submission now gets read and categorized automatically. The model identifies whether it is an individual, business, or estate tax situation. It drafts a personalized reply referencing the specific details the person shared. That reply goes out within 2 minutes of submission. A follow-up queues automatically if no response arrives after 3 days. The staff never touches initial outreach during their busiest season. The owner handles more volume with the same team. The freelancer built the whole thing over 1 weekend, flat setup fee. Setup. Small seasonal retainer for updates. Zapier subscription canceled within the first week. That is the Overhead Elimination Protocol delivering exactly what it promises. This is where everything clicks. Think about where this positions you 30 days from now. You have a repeatable workflow built on free infrastructure. You have documented your process enough to replicate it across different industries. You have a clear offer that resonates with any business owner tired of rising software costs. You can explain Google's Vertex AI and Gemini 2.0 in plain language to someone who just wants their follow-up problem solved. That is a genuine competitive edge, and the window to build it is right now. Google is actively encouraging Vertex AI adoption. The free tier access to Gemini 2.0 exists because they want builders on their platform. That level of open access does not stay that way forever. Pricing tiers and restrictions tend to come later, once the platform has the developer base it wants. The people learning this today are the ones with a real client portfolio. Before everyone else even realizes the Overhead Elimination Protocol is a thing. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to those free prompts I use that show how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.